Hello guys, today I'm gonna point out the necessary and significant details on how to request a refund on Patreon's support page. So to request a refund on Patreon, start by reviewing their terms of use and refund policy. Patreon facilitates payments to creators, so you'll need to reach out to the creator for a refund. Message them directly on Patreon, including the refund amount, date, and reason. Creators handle benefits and content distribution, so it's up to them to issue refunds. If you bought a digital product via the iOS app, request a refund through the Apple refund process using your Apple ID. Apple processes refunds within 60 days. If the creator refuses, Patreon may issue refunds at their discretion, but it is not guaranteed. Refunds take 5 to 7 business days once approved. So for more details, you can visit the Patreon support page at support.patreon.com. So basically that's it.